Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be unboxing the January subscription box of Macy's. Okay. Got it open. So let's check this away. What do we have here? Well, at least Macy's gives us a box. You remember the Sephora box had nothing, no baggie. I like the baggie. So it's the Macy Beauty box, and it explains $10 off with a code for $10 off, and then it explains exactly what we can expect in the box. And on the back it says open, have fun, repeat. Let's do this. Don't you just love it? It's so fluffy. I absolutely love this. Oh, I guess I should play with this all day. Okay. So we have a lemon eye gel patch. It's a brightening patch. What does this do? Oh, it's from Tony Moly lemon eye patch. And natural ingredients like lemon, green tea and red wine are known for their brightening powers, which is great for getting over post-holiday puffiness and dark circles. Plus the gel texture helps to seal in moisture, which is key, and cooling effect stores your mask. What? This time of year for $4 for US, it's around about $17 million. That's a lot. It feels like 2 lemon slices though. How cute is that? It feels like 2 lemon slices. So for an extra soothing and cooling effect, store your masks in the fridge. Do you have like more than directions? To open, apply the eye area, leave on for 20 minutes, then remove. So it's once off only. But still very cute. Spending too much time unpacking that one. Let's put it in view so we can all see. And our wonderful little baggie. Just put it over there. So Macy's wrapped all theirs in an extra pink just to ensure that it's safe, which I actually love. Oh, there they are. Put that away. We have a Miracle Worker primer. Another primer. The miracle you want to see. So I got a primer in the Sephora box as well. It said a primer, but it's more like a setting spray. But anyway, so this is an anti-wrinkle Miracle Worker and line corrector primer. Instantly smooths and mattifies the skin with this primer. It not only blurs the appearance of fine lines, but also helps them to disappear for good. Use daily over your moisturizer and under your makeup. Well, that's nice. That is so nice. So yeah, there we go. We got one of those. Then we have a Kiehl's Glow Formula Skin Hydrator. So this Kiehl's has existence. What's wrong with me? Kiehl's has been in existence since 1851. This is made of 95% naturally derived ingredients. This antioxidant-rich facial moisturizer will help your skin glow even in the cold and dry months. Pomegranate specifically helps smooth skin's texture, promoting radiance. So this is a sample, but a full size it is 38 US. And I'm not sure if 38 US, that's more than this box. But let's sample it and see. Okay, Then we had Dr. Brandt. I wonder if he's from South Africa. Brandt. So this is a microdermabrasion. Enter the new year with your smoothest skin yet. Thanks to this clinically inspired exfoliating treatment, it not only rids dry skin but also remedies the scars, fine lines and discoloration. It's good for full body use too. Use 1 to 2 times per week. So this is nice. This sample, but a full size is 79 US. So it would be round about 79, $600, 700 Namibian, 900 Namibian dollars. Sorry guys, taking a while to get that my math head going. Okay, and then we have a Daisy Marc Jacobs. We get these from Edgar's, as you all know. Edgar's sells these. I'm just going to leave the sample as is, not going to spray it or anything. It's a berry with violet and jasmine infused smell. It smells quite refreshing, but not going to sample it. Let's put it out for someone else to enjoy. And then we have the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour anti-replenishing hydration auto rehydrated. What? 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. So basically a moisturizer from Clinique. Okay, and this we get from Edgar's as well, and a full size is 39 US. I think right about by ours is 500, 500. The full size is quite large, but anywho, this is what we got. We got a gorgeous little thingamajiggy. You just want to play with it. It's fluffy as my cat, but anyhow, so we got a nice little baggie with all our little goodies. This is all from Macy's for January. Yeah. Thanks guys for watching. Please do subscribe, like and subscribe.